Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Floralicious Plus is probably one of the most exciting plant boosters I've come across. This product from General Hydroponics promises to unlock the full potential of your plants, leading to bigger, brighter blooms and a healthier overall garden. In this video, we're diving deep into Floralicious Plus, exploring its benefits, how to use it, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. General Hydroponics MaxiGrow 50 pounds. This product provides a complete blend of primary, secondary, and micronutrients. It's designed to give your plants everything they need to thrive. It ensures your plants get the essential elements for optimal growth. MaxiGrow is formulated to deliver superior results. It is effective on a wide variety of crops, promoting robust growth and high yields. You'll see a noticeable difference in the health and productivity of your plants. This product is suitable for both soil and hydroponic growing systems. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, it's easy to incorporate into your routine. It adapts to different growing environments, making it a versatile choice. It is specifically designed as a growth stimulator. It provides the necessary nutrients to support vigorous plant development. Using it will help your plants reach their full potential. The 50 pounds package offers a generous supply. It ensures you have enough to support your plants throughout their growth cycle. It's a cost-effective solution for both small and large-scale growing operations. What we like. This product offers a complete nutrient profile, ensuring your plants get everything they need. It is versatile, working well in both soil and hydroponic systems. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for a wide variety of crops, this is the one for you. What people say. Floralicious Plus is a great product. It really helps the plants to grow big and strong. I have used it for years and it is a great product. Number 4. General Hydroponics Flora Nova Bloom Fertilizer 2.5 gallon. This is a 2.5 gallon fertilizer from General Hydroponics. It's designed to help your plants bloom beautifully. Use it to give your plants the nutrients they need. This fertilizer is specially formulated to encourage flowering. It provides essential elements for vibrant and plentiful blooms. Give your plants the boost they need. The Flora Nova Bloom is simple to incorporate into your gardening routine. Just follow the instructions on the package. It's a convenient way to enhance your plant's growth. This fertilizer is perfect for hydroponic systems. It dissolves easily in water, providing nutrients directly to the roots. It ensures your plants get what they need. This product works best in partial shade conditions. Make sure your plants are not exposed to too much direct sunlight. It will help them thrive. What we like. This product is designed for plants that thrive in partial shade. It is easy to use. If you have plants that need sunlight exposure, this is a great choice. What people say. Floralicious Plus is a great product. It really does make a difference in the plants. The plants are much healthier and the flowers are bigger and more plentiful. Number 3. General Hydroponics Diamond Nectar, 1 gallon. This product is designed to boost nutrient absorption. It helps plants take in essential minerals more efficiently. This leads to faster growth and bigger yields. Diamond Nectar uses humic acids to grab onto nutrients. These nutrients become easier for plants to absorb. The process ensures plants get the most from their food. The product helps move nutrients into plant tissues. This is crucial for strong and healthy plants. It ensures that every part of the plant gets what it needs. By improving nutrient uptake, it promotes rapid growth. You can expect to see larger and more productive plants. This product is a key to a successful garden. This product is proudly made in the United States. It is manufactured to the highest standards. You can trust the quality and effectiveness of this product. What we like. This product accelerates nutrient absorption, leading to faster growth and greater yields. It uses humic acids to make nutrients more accessible to your plants. If you are looking to maximize your plant's potential and efficiency, consider this. What people say. Floralicious Plus is a great product. It really does make a difference in the plants. The plants are much healthier and the flowers are bigger and more plentiful. Number 2. General Hydroponics Koolbloom for gardening. This is a highly concentrated nutrient supplement. It promotes abundant flowering and facilitates ripening in annual flowers and herbs. The product is rich with phosphorus and potassium. It also contains precise amounts of ripening elements to help your plants. This is to be used only at the very end of a plant's life cycle. It helps build larger, heavier fruits and flowers. By using this product, you can ensure your plants reach their full potential. It will help you get the most out of your gardening efforts. There is no assembly required. Simply follow the instructions for application and enjoy the results. What we like. This product promotes abundant flowering and facilitates ripening in annual flowers and herbs. It is a highly concentrated supplement. If you are looking to build larger, heavier fruits and flowers at the end of the plant's life cycle, this is a great choice. What people say. Floralicious Plus is a great product. It really does make a difference in the plants. I have used it for years and it works great. Number 1. Floralicious Plus 2-0.8-0.02, Quart by General Hydroponics. This is Floralicious Plus, a product by General Hydroponics. It comes in a quart size and is designed to help your plants thrive. It provides essential nutrients for optimal growth. This product has a formula of 2-0.8-0.02. It's specifically formulated to boost the health and vitality of your plants. Use it to give your plants the best chance to flourish. You can find this product on Amazon. It's readily available for purchase. Get yours today and see the difference it makes. It helps to promote vigorous root development and lush foliage. The product also enhances the overall health of your plants. It's a great choice for any gardener. This product is brought to you by General Hydroponics, a trusted name in hydroponics. They are known for their high-quality products. You can trust this product to deliver results. What we like. This product enhances the flavor and aroma of your plants. It is readily available on Amazon. If you like to improve the quality of your harvest, you should consider this. What people say. Floralicious Plus is a great product. It really helps the plants to grow big and strong. The plants are very healthy and the flowers are big and beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.